Imagine a car that quietly becomes part of your life. Starts every morning without drama, saves your money at the fuel pump, and still feels modern every time you sit inside. That's exactly what the 2026 Toyota Corolla promises. And that's why it continues to be one of the most trusted cars on the planet. The 2026 Corolla carries a familiar shape, but with sharper details that make it look more confident than ever. The front fascia is sleeker, with a wider grille and slimmer LED headlights that give it a more premium and sporty expression. From the side, the clean lines and balanced proportions make it look elegant without trying too hard. Around the back, the redesigned LED tail lamps add a modern touch, making the Corolla feel fresh while still instantly recognizable. Step inside, and you'll notice how Toyota has focused on comfort, simplicity, and quality. The cabin feels more refined, with soft touch materials in key areas and a clean, driver-focused layout. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and easy to read, while the larger central touchscreen supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping you connected without distractions. Everything is placed logically, so even first-time drivers feel comfortable within minutes. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Corolla offers a choice of efficient petrol engines and a highly popular hybrid option. The petrol engine delivers smooth power for daily driving, perfect for city traffic and highway cruising alike. The hybrid version stands out with exceptional fuel economy, combining an electric motor and engine seamlessly, making it ideal for those who want lower fuel costs and fewer emissions without sacrificing reliability. On the road, the Corolla feels calm, stable, and predictable in the best way. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and rough roads easily, while the steering is light and responsive, making tight city turns effortless. Highway driving feels confident, with minimal road noise and a planted feel that inspires. Trust, safety is where the 2026 Corolla truly shines. Toyota Safety Sense comes standard, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These systems work quietly in the background, helping protect you and your passengers without feeling intrusive. What really makes the Toyota Corolla special is its reputation. It's known worldwide for legendary reliability, low maintenance costs, and excellent resale value. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a family car user, or someone who simply wants peace of mind, the Corolla fits effortlessly into everyday life. In the end, the 2026 Toyota Corolla isn't about flashy gimmicks. It's about trust, efficiency, comfort, and smart technology working together. That's exactly why, year after year, millions of people still choose the Corolla.